Hi, everybody. So I'm continuing on with my series on how to make your business or brand more personable. And at the beginning of the week, I started talking about the 5 ways, and then I'm diving further into each way. So if you've missed the first one, I'll do a quick recap. But before I do that, I'm just going to introduce myself really quickly in case you don't know who I am. My name is Kate, and my business is called STUDIOKTR, and I work with entrepreneurs and coaches and light workers the world round from my office here in the UK, helping them dive deep into who they really are so they can apply that to their brands, show up in a far more effortless way, attract clients, stand out, and be taken seriously in their business. Okay, so the 5 ways, and this is not like a full list. I would appreciate any kind of comments that you have if you want to add to this. This is definitely not the only ways you can be personable in your brand, but definitely a great place to start. Okay, so I'm just going to look at my notes so I don't forget what the heck I'm doing here. Okay, so my first one was get on video. My second was leave voice messages for people. My third was use photos of you or your life. Fourth is show your gratitude. And fifth is notice the little things. So today I'm just going to talk really quickly about gratitude. Okay, and we all know that when you're grateful for things, it makes your business so much more down to earth, so much more honest, so much more personable. And you can show your gratitude in so many different ways. You could, especially when you finish working with a client, okay? Because a lot of times, I don't know about you, but in my business specifically as well, I get a lot of word of mouth, okay? So I'm not just being grateful just to get referrals, but it is a nice way to show that you are grateful for the work that you've done with someone, and you don't know if that person might want to turn around and come back to you again one day to work with you on coaching or whatever it is that you do in your business. So showing your gratitude and your appreciation for someone that has worked with you is a great way to be personable in your business. It doesn't have to be a lot of money. You can send flowers if you want to. You could just write a note. That's fine too. But just showing that you appreciate their business, especially with your past clients. But you can do this with your followers. So if you get onto Instagram or Facebook or whatever your platform is, and you just put a post out there that just says, hey, thanks for following me on this journey, or thanks for engaging in my posts, or thanks for sharing my posts. Tag people so they know that you're talking to just them, or tag a list of people. So just say, I really wanted to, point out to you, or I really wanted to call you out here and say thanks so much for doing that. Another way of showing that you're grateful is by going into your followers or your clients or your past clients and going in and sharing their stuff and just showing that, you appreciate them. Just as much as they're helping you, you'd like to help them too. And that's a great way to show that you're grateful for their business and for their support. So there's like a whole slew of ways that you can do this in your business, but I know from experience with other companies that I've either purchased things through or whatever. One example is that, my content management system that I use in my business. They ran a competition, and then they did all this stuff that for their 11th birthday, showing how grateful they were for all the people who had purchased their software. And so they did like competitions and all sorts of things, and they sent me like a personalized thank you note, even though they're in California and I live in the UK. Just looked like a little sticker with their logo and stuff, but they wrote a personal note in there, and that was a lovely touch. Can't even think of any other businesses that do that. So that will really, not only is it great to show gratitude, but that will really help you stand apart. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, giving you some couple ideas here, there, just to get your mind flowing. But showing gratitude is a great way to be more personable in your business. Okay, that's it. I like to keep these really short and sweet. If you'd like to be tagged in future videos that I do, please put your name or comment down below. Follow me, because there's going to be more videos like this coming up. And I am grateful for you for taking the time to listen to this video. Okay, take care, and we'll talk soon. Okay,